Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time to check out some of the deals going on at Home Depot. So soon as I walked into the store, I seen some pretty nice clearance deals. Right here, they got the Milwaukee 17-inch dual battery string trimmer, and this is the kit. So with this kit, you'll be able to get two high output XC 8.0 amp hour batteries. You get the charger and then the string trimmer, and they got this all the way down to $349. It says it was $700, so huge discount. They also had a really nice deal on this Echo string trimmer kit. This is a 16-inch string trimmer, and this is going to come with the battery too, all the way down to 115. This was $229, so nice discount on that. And this is going to come with the 2.5 amp hour battery, the charger, of course, a string trimmer, and this one and the Milwaukee. They had a bunch of these still in stock. They also had a deal for you Makita guys. So they had 18-volt trimmer pulse saw combo. This was $389 all the way down to $195, and that is the tool and battery included. And then they also had the trimmer and blower combo kit from $359 all the way down to $179. And that kit's going to come with one 4 amp hour battery and the charger. They also had a couple deals for DeWalt. So first up, they had the 20 volt max 12-inch chainsaw. Now this is the kit, all the way down to $139. This was $279, so really good deal on that. And this is going to actually come with one 5 amp hour battery. And then they also had the 22-inch hedge trimmer. Unfortunately, this is the tool only, and knocked the price down to $84. This is $169. There's a look at the 12-inch chainsaw kit. Pretty nice chainsaw by DeWalt, up to 100 cuts per charge. It's not too bad on that. And then there's the 5 amp hour battery and the charger that you're going to be able to pick up with that kit. So not a bad deal for $139. And then there's a quick look at the 22-inch hedge trimmers by DeWalt. Like I said, that's the tool only, but that's $84. Another killer deal I've seen. If you guys can find this at your Home Depot, snag it. This is the Ryobi 320 PSI Easy Clean. This is a tool only, but they marked this all the way down to $20. This was $100. This is not the HP, so it is the 320 PSI, but this would be perfect for light duty work around your house, whether you're cleaning patio furniture, anything like that. It's got the turbo nozzle. It's also got the rinse, and then it's got the 15-degree nozzle. I use mine all the time, and it's really convenient when you don't want to pull out your full-size pressure washer. This is great to use for light-duty cleaning around the house. Another Milwaukee deal. So here's the M18 Fuel. This is a 5-tool combo kit. There's a number there, the 2996-25. So if you guys can find this at your Home Depot, $499, so $500. This was $899. And these are all fuel tools. Unfortunately, one of the tools is a light, but you do get your hammer drill, you get the 1/4-inch impact, you get the angle grinder, and a 6.5-inch circular saw. See the light there on the end. And then you also get two 5 amp hour batteries, the dual bay charger, the M12 and the M18. So you can pick that up for $500. They also had the M18 fuel compressor. This was $349. They got this down to $280. So this is a 2-gallon quiet compressor. Tool only, batteries not included on this one. And then there's a look at some of the specs there. 90 PSI, 2-gallon, 68 dB, so not very loud at all. Then they also had the Milwaukee M12 bandsaw. This is another tool only, but this was down to $154 from $219. So pretty nice deal on that. These are coming pretty handy. This is the compact bandsaw. Then next to that, they had the 8 amp hour high output battery kit. So you get your charger and your battery. This was $182, and this was $259. They also had the Forge 8 amp hour battery, and this included the dual supercharger down to $299. This was $349. Let me know how many of you guys picked up the Forge batteries and if you like them. I haven't tried them out yet, so I'm kind of curious what you guys think. They also had a starter kit that came with two 8 amp hour batteries and the charger. This was $315 down for $449. This comes with the dual bay rapid charger. And then they also had just a single 8 amp hour high output battery. They had this marked down. This was $229 and they marked it down to $115. They also had a few deals for Ryobi. So here is the Power Source starter kit. 55 bucks for this. This was 70. These come in pretty handy. Comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. If you need to charge your phone, tablet, something like that, they got the USB ports on the side. They also had the Ryobi charger. This takes 18 volt or the 40 volt, which is pretty nice if you got both platforms, down from 120. This was $60. Another good pickup was this Ryobi One Plus multi-tools. This is an HP, but it was down to $50, and this is the kit. So you're going to get some blades with it and a 2 amp hour battery and charger. So pretty nice pickup there for you guys doing some light duty work. They also had the Bluetooth radio, 45 bucks for that. I'm not sure how many guys would actually find that interesting. I usually just use a regular Bluetooth speaker. And then they also had a pretty good deal on this HP impact driver kit. 70 bucks for this, was 139. 1.5 amp hour batteries, the bag, and the charger for this. Not bad for the HP series by Ryobi. We also had some Ridgid deals. So here's the rear handle circular saw kit, all the way down to 175. This was 349. 7.25 inch. And this includes the 8 amp hour max output battery, charger, and the bag. They also had the DeWalt 20 volt planer, 3.25 inch, down to 197. This was 229. Couple Makita angle grinders, 40 bucks off on those. Brought the price down to 149. Those were tool only, no batteries included with that. And I found some more Ridgid deals. So here is the Power Source inverter kit, special buy, 71 bucks. This was 89.98. 2 amp hour battery. This one has the AC outlet, which comes in pretty handy, and then also has USB to charge your phone. Then they also had the 2 amp hour 3-pack batteries for 71 bucks. These were 89.98. Another really good deal. And then another Ridgid saw. This is the 6.5 inch circular saw kit. 90 bucks for this. This was 129. And this came with a 4 amp hour battery and the charger. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are seeing any Ridgid deals at your Home Depot. And then I also saw the 18 volt compact bandsaw. They had this all the way down to $100. This was $229, tool only on this one. Another Ryobi deal. This is the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries, down to $63. Another really good deal. And then they had some sales going on for Ryobi. So here's the combo kit. This is a 4-tool combo kit, down to $149. So only 10 bucks off on that. And then they also had the 1/2 inch drill driver kit for $79, and the 3/8 inch driver kit for $49, and the 2-pack of the HP batteries, 4 amp hours, for $129. They also had your choice for $49.97. They got the angle grinder, 5 inch sander. They also had the crown stapler, jigsaw, wet and dry hand vac, and then the drill driver kit that we seen earlier. And then they had a bunch of deals going on from Milwaukee. They got the buy more, save more going on. And those are all the qualifying tools for the buy more, save more. And they had a bunch of tools to choose from, which is nice. And then they also have a buy one, get one going on for Milwaukee. So you get the 5 amp hour extended capacity battery when you buy one of these tools. They had the 6 amp hour high output battery, the sander, multi-tool, super sawzall, and the deep cut bandsaw. Plus they had a bunch of other stuff going on. So I had the 2-tool kit for $3.99. And if you pick that up, you get a free 6 amp hour battery, $179 value for that one. And they also got a buy one, get one going on for M12. So you get a free 5 amp hour battery when you buy one of these M12 tools. And these were all fuel tools also, so you can get the wet and dry vac, circular saw, jigsaw, right angle die grinder, or if you pick up the M12 2-tool kit. Had some DeWalt deals also. They had a bunch of XR tools. They had the angle grinder, recip saw, circular saw, drill driver kit. So I had the Flex Volt 6 amp hour battery. It was a 2-pack. And then they had some special buys for the 4 amp hour 2-pack, drill driver, 2-tool kit, and then also the 6-tool kit for 600 bucks. And then over to the left here, they had the XR 3-speed hammer drill kit with the power pack 8 amp hour battery for $300. That was $349. And then they also had the Atomic Impact Driver Kit for $169, and that came with a 5 amp hour battery. They had some Milwaukee hand tool deals for $12.97. They had a 13-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver, 25-foot compact tape measure, or you can pick up the fastback folding utility knife with blade storage. Those were all $12.97. Also had a good deal on this 27-gallon Husky compressor, all the way down to $269. And they actually have the 20-gallon for the same price. So the 27-gallon and the 20-gallon, same price, $269. Found another Makita deal. They got the inflator down to $70. This is $140. Tool only on this, no batteries included. 120 PSI max. And then this was a really good deal I found. This is a Makita 7-piece combo kit, all the way down to $315, was $449. So you're going to get your drill driver, you get your impact driver, you get a 6.5-inch circular saw, recip saw, you do get a light with it, 2 4-amp hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. So there's a look at the 5 tools. But like I said earlier, you get 7 tools with this. So along with those tools, they're also throwing in the jigsaw and the angle grinder. Special buy, the kit is going to include those, including the other 5 tools. So a really nice deal for $315. So not a bad pickup if you guys can find this at your local Home Depot. Up to an $895 value. And even if you don't like the light, you're getting 6 tools, 2 4-amp hour batteries, a nice bag, and the charger for $315. And they had a bunch of these in stock. All right, guys, so there you go. The deals that I found this week at Home Depot. Some new sales and clearance. Now remember, for the clearance deals, your mileage may vary. Not all Home Depots are going to have the same clearance deals, but let me know in the comment section below what deals you're finding at your Home Depot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. I do deal videos like this for Home Depot, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight weekly. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.